And here they come, at the end of their warm-up lap. You're going to see a green flag as they come around the corner, and then they're going to start racing. Here they go. Now the track is very wet and gooey out there in places, so you're going to see them drifting around all the corners. Volker seems to have the race ball in hand. And on the upside, Rocky still has his more shiny side up. Has now passed William Nichols. All right, big round of applause for him. The winner of the first Outlaw race.